Hello everyone. Now in this session you are going to understand the example of billing information system. Assume that you have went to some supermarket. You are going to buy some products and they are going to bill the same. So for this I am applying the exception handling mechanism using different methods: buffered writer, buffered reader, and file input stream, file output stream. So I am applying the files concept along with the stream, that is buffered writer. So the main focus of this is to apply the file writer and file buffer. So first you are going to define the package with all the supported packages like buffered writer, data output stream, file output stream, file writer, IO exception. And after that you are going to create class, that is here class name is bill. The next main method, please recollect try catch. You have to take the path and your file name is build.txt. You need to apply the file writer method, and file writer is your object, your new file writer, and take the file path. And whenever you want to read all those characters, you need to apply the buffered writer. Whenever any set of characters need to understand by human, then you need to apply the buffered writer. And here you are going to consider this object. And next, buffered writer dot write. You need to write all the products with quantity. You take some one product and it will go next line quantity and price. And next one is you are going to apply the same product to quantity price. Like this, so many products with respective quantity and price will be determined. And whatever you open, you need to close it. And you need to take the new file build.txt. It's already data exists, so you need to take the this file build.txt and you need to calculate the length of the file. So how I am going to demonstrate, please observe carefully. Long file size is equal to file dot length. So you need to calculate the number of bytes written. File size will always calculate the length of the file. For this, you have to apply the length method. And if any deviation there in the file, it will catch the IO exception, input output. Suppose if no data there or some informative data there, it will not execute properly. Rather, it will print the message for that. Okay, print stack trace is one of the method to display the information. So let us run this program. So number of bytes written 77. How we are going to check this data? How we are going to see whether it is a present or not? Go to the exception. That is, once I will show this where data exists, go to the C. Please go to respective administrator account users. Here my folder is this one, Eclipse workspace. And next, what is your project name? My project name is exception. See, here you're showing bill. Product 1, quantity 10, price. So if you all calculate how many bytes it will be, 77. So total 77 bytes will be there. So this is the real-time example of billing information system using exception handling followed by file writer and buffered writer. I hope this example helps you out a lot. If you understand all this, you can apply on your own with real-time application. Okay, I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and inform others to view and subscribe the same. Thank you for watching.